Hi guys, this video is dedicated on how to install signatures for Outlook within the browser. Before we get started, please make sure that you're using either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox browsers because others might have some glitches in terms of copying the signatures that you've created. So to avoid that, please use the relevant browsers. Once we are ready to get started, we go to MySignature.io for signatures dashboard. Here you will see all the signatures that you've created so far and the preview of the signature that you want to work with. There will be an install button on the bottom left that we need to click. Right here, you will see the list of all email providers that we can work with. And for our case, we are going to work with Outlook.com. Here on the left, you will see all the steps that you need to proceed with in order to install the signature for your email. And on the right, there is a preview of the signature just to make sure that everything works well for you. In case there is something to be changed, you can go back to editor and amend little details. I really like what I see right here, so I'm ready to proceed with the further steps. The first one is to copy the signature to clipboard. We can do so with the button on the right, which is copy to clipboard. We just click it. We have successful pop-up window on the top right, and we are ready to go to Outlook website. Here, we need to find a setting button, which we can see on the top right of the page. We click on that, and here we need to choose compose and reply section. Here you can see that we have signature section right away. We need to name our new signature and then paste the signature that we copied to the clipboard beforehand. Here we will change our setting just in a little bit. Make sure that you have composed messages in HTML format and then save it. After that, we need to change the settings for default, making sure that we've selected the signature that we just added. Once it's done, we are ready to close the settings window and start a new email and seeing that everything is working out great for us. Please make sure that you're using the appropriate browsers. I hope that video was very useful for you. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team. They will be always there to make your experience as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.